guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to make puff with a twist, that is peppered puff. Most importantly, always remember to sieve your flour and add all the dry ingredients: salt, yeast, nutmeg. Then proceed to mix it thoroughly. Mix blended pepper with the warm water you are going to be using to mix your flour. Add water in small quantities and mix everything by hand till you have a good blend of all the ingredients. Use warm water to mix the puff ingredients if you want it to rise faster. Keep mixing until you achieve a smooth batter. Cover the bowl with aluminium foil or a plastic bag and make sure it is airtight. You cover it up for 45 minutes to about 1 hour. It depends on how long it takes for your batter to rise. When your puff batter is ready to fry, you see some air bubbles on top of the surface. Pour some oil in a deep pot and allow to heat up. When the oil is hot enough, scoop some batter into the oil with your hand, following the technique in the video. If the batter is sticking to your hand, you can get a bowl of water by your side. Then you dip your hand into the water to prevent it from sticking to your hand. Then fry until both sides is golden brown. Your delicious puff is ready to be served with a cold drink or whatever you like to eat it with.